Um, how are you, ladies and gentlemen, and respect to my elders and my friend and my family members. Yeah, there is a trending video about truck drivers recently, whereby truck drivers' wives were celebrating the achievement of their husbands. Yeah, quite okay. It is their right to perform their duty as truck driver's wife. Yeah, and to those who may say that it is not okay, no, let us be honest. Let us be honest. You see, truck drivers, they pass through a lot. I'm telling you, through a lot. Ask a truck driver, will tell you. Truck drivers sacrifice their life for you to have that meal on a table. Truck drivers, they sacrifice their time, their happiness for you to drive that car which you are driving. If there was no truck driver, I don't know how life. Because truck driver pass through a lot for the economic of this world. But it is like something is going behind our back, whereby no one can appreciate our work. No one can appreciate what we are doing. Always saying that my truck drivers ni maule, they are prostitute. Let me ask one question. Which job where there is no prostitution? This trending video of those who are doing pornography, what? Are they truck drivers? Let me ask you. You always say truck drivers ni maule. Those video, have you ever heard that a truck driver achosaka pono kuna achosaka what? No. But why do you always say that my truck driver ni mahule, ni mawat? Yes, ni mahule, but same mahule, they are the one who are pushing the same economic which you are using. Ni mahule, the same mahule are the one who are making you to survive every day. Without them, life yengali kosa. It's not a issue of debating uko kweba. No. Mulafi mona fichtiga. Drivers, they pass through a lot. So, for those ladies or wives of truckers, for them to celebrate, please, to my side, give them peace. Let them have peace. Let them celebrate in peace. It's their right. To make a matters worse, it is media. You see? We are seeing so many celebration whereby someone he achieves something, he posts. What about them? It is an achievement for their husband and their family. So let them celebrate, please. Let us not be jealous. As I said earlier, truck drivers sacrifice a lot for us to live the way we are living. As I am talking, I'm one of them. And I know how it pains to be a truck driver. Oh, tabasambirira. Who told you that I'm a truck driver is tabasambirira? Who told you that? Oh, tabachitashani. That is your thoughts. Those are your thoughts. I repeat again, those are your thoughts. Don't follow at tabasambirira. As long as somebody is able to put food pa table, ali na family yakutaleisa mukulomba, then it's okay. Asambirire mwe basambirira bene murebo menshi. Mwe basambirira bene, what are you doing? Because we have many people now bakwata degrees, but they are truck drivers. Diploma, they are truck drivers. They have beds, what? Teachers, doctors, they're truck drivers. But you're busy saying tabasambila. Let me tell you, if you are kale, it's not how it is right now. Chalo nachichinja. Nachichinja ichalo. Let us respect one another. One love, one Zambia. Otherwise, what? Truck driver. No. Leave those ladies alone. Let them celebrate their rights. Thank you, Andy. If I have offended anyone during my speech, please forgive me. Have that place in your heart to forgive me. Yeah.